Emorowado, you're welcome again to my lesson on Urhobo intonation. Then we'll look at the word uko, or rather, not the word, the spelling uko, or the sound uko. Now, uko, as I just pronounced it, means cup. Uko, cup. Uko, back. Can you see that? Uko, kebe, uko na, that is, give me the cup. Jobote, uko we, touch your back. Uko, back. Uko, cup. Now, you can say the word uko can still mean backward. For example, someone can tell you situko, that is shift backward or move backward. You getting it? Aha. Other way, but many a or lowe. That is, if you understood what I said, then say I understood. All right. So let's check it again. But then uko, what is that? Cup. Uko, back. Kebe uko na, give me the cup. Leye uko na netine, take the cup away from here. Leye uko na ne etine, take the cup away from here. Jobote uko we, touch your back. See, tuko, dress backwards. And guess what? The opposite of uko is ubaru. This is where we're going to call it a day today on our lesson on Urhobo intonation. I'm going to call Wado. Don't forget, you can always like and share and subscribe. Wow, what about you? Oyoma, I'm going to call